Yeah? What do you want?
Oh, hi. A mechanic.
Do I look like a mechanic?
Maybe.
Well, I ain't no mechanic. Catch me crawling around under any old bomb, getting all that grease on me.
Look, my car's broken down. Get out of here. I need a mechanic.
What's the hurry? You want a cup of coffee?
Yeah, all right.
How do you have it?
White with one.
We used to have one, but he ain't with us anymore.
Where is he?
Well, a matter of fact, he's across the road.
Well, I'll go and have a talk to him.
You can try, but you'll have to dig him up, because he's in the cemetery. Cheer up, son. I can put you up for the night.
What about a bus?
Thursday.
That's 2 days.
We can get to know each other. Real well.
Boy, I said, I may be able to help you out of your predicament. Come over. Come over and chew the fat with the king. You know what I look when I see in your eyes, boy? You know what I see in your eyes? I see craziness. I see a free spirit, boy. You're just like me.
Yes, sir.
You know what I got outside there, boy? I got me a 57 Cadillac. I bought one for my Mama Gladys. She's gone now. What say you and I get in that car and hit the road, boy? We could be like Thelma and Louise. You be Thelma, I'll be Louise.
Sure. You only live once.